How to fix if your GoPro stops recording after 1 minute. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from Genie Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you the way on how you can fix if your GoPro suddenly stops recording after 1 minute. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, one of the main reasons why this could happen is, let's say that you're recording a video and it suddenly stops recording after, let's say, 1 minute. Well, in that case, the main issue could be because your SD card is almost full, and in that case what you could do is simply try to format your SD card. And in that case what you have to do is swipe down and then select the option which says preferences. As you select preferences, you have to scroll down and select the option which says reset, and you'll find the option which says format SD card. You could simply try to format your SD card first of all. Once done, what you could do is, the other thing is, because let's say you're trying to record in too much high resolution, such as you can see 1080p with 120 fps. So in that case what you could do is simply try to lower your fps settings. So as you can see, instead of 120 fps you could actually scroll down to, let's say, 60, and instead of 1080 pixels you could actually simply scroll down to 720 or so on. That would most likely fix the issue. The other thing what we could do is, it could happen because your SD card is too slow. So what I recommend is simply changing your SD card and simply replacing it with a new one, because if your SD card is too slow, it will not be able to keep up with the video format which your GoPro has. The other reason could also be that there is simply no charge left on your GoPro. So in order to charge our GoPro, what I will do is, first of all, you can see these edges right over here. What you have to do is simply press this rectangular box and then slide it towards the open direction, and you'll be able to open this USB port. As you can see, the one which has a Type-C USB port, what we have to do is simply connect with our USB cable to this port right over here. As you do that, you'll be able to see the charging indicators somewhere on your screen as well. So if your GoPro is actually charging, you'll be able to see them over here, or else you could simply turn off your GoPro by tapping on this mode button for at least 4 to 5 seconds. If your GoPro is actually charging, so let me just go ahead and show you the process again. If your GoPro is currently charging, you'd basically be able to see the red blink. But if you're not being able to see the red blink, it could mean that your cable is loose and that the GoPro is simply not charging at all. So as you can see the red blink right over here, it means that our GoPro is successfully charging. Make sure you have at least full battery before you try to record another video. Hopefully one of these would have fixed the issue. If it did fix the issue, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.